Hello inventors, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how to create Android game using one simple online platform. You can use AdMob in that your game that you have created using that platform. First, we will see the demo of that app, or you can say demo of this game that I have created using that platform. So let me open my app here, that platformer. Actually I have to change the app name and icon also, but I will do it later. So let me show you. Open, and here you can see, right, that's the game. Okay, now if you want to play this game, so you can see the 4 buttons, left, right, like this. Oh sorry, game over. Let me increase the volume. Okay, oh no. So actually it's too long. Okay, so you can create this type of game using this platform. Okay, you can create APK, you can use AdMob also here. Here we go. So we are using here GDevelop Platform. So just type here GDevelop and enter, and you will find here GDevelop-app.com. okay, that's the software. Okay, you can download this or use it, or you can create online games using this platform. It means this platform work like online and offline both. Okay, so we will create online. Okay, so you need to open this website, and you can see download button. I'm not going to download here, I'm going to use it, try it online. So we will try it online. So click on that and wait some seconds. This takes some time to load editor. It's fine. Now here you can see you can download it, and you can close this, close it, and you can see create a new project, and you can say open a project. So I have to create a project, so click on create a new project, right? And here you can see the starters, examples, tutorials, and game showcase. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to use your starters. Okay, it means I can choose any game template that they have created. Okay, so I'm going to use that platformer, this one. Okay, click on that game and wait some seconds to load it. It takes very few seconds to load this whole game, and you will find in the right side objects. Here you can see that player, that platform, and you can see go left, right buttons, and a lot of things here, right? And you can see in that tab, you can see project manager in the top corner, this one, right? Click on that. Okay, let me make it, and you will find here save as, export, close, preference. So here you need to click on that game setting here, and you can see properties option, this one. Click on this. Okay, and you can see the game name, so you can change your game name. So suppose TCB first game. Okay, and you can change that version, so you can make it 0.0.1. okay, and you can see the package, so you can change that package name, example, to make it TCB, and here in the platformer, my first game. This is you can do anything here, it's just a package name. Okay, but this should be unique, so make sure this should be like a tcb.myfirstgame, or your name, or whatever you want to use here. Okay, author name, you can define your TCB like that. Okay, simple. And you can see the resolution 800 by 600 is fine, you can change it also, right? And you can see the AdMob ID and a lot of things. We will do it later, but we have to simple thing is game name and version, simple, and then click on apply. Right, now you can see that's the screen. Okay, if you want to change that screen assets, and if you want to change that that coins, and you will find here that thing, click on that coin. You can see whenever I click on it, coin, and you can see that X, Y value, angle, width, and height. You can change it, right, if you want, but I'm not going to change here. Okay, we will make it simple. Okay, because in this tutorial we will learn simple, go through this platform. Okay, we will do not too much thing here, we will do only simples and basics things. Okay, now fine. Now suppose that's our game. Okay, if you want to preview this game, so you can see the play button here, you need to click on that play button, okay, and wait some seconds. Here you can see that's the game. Now if you want to play this game, use arrow key right there, right? We don't need to do anything here, like see, simple. Oh, I'm not able to go from here. Okay, let it go. Fine, you can see the 700 score, simple. Now let me just close it. Now you can play it online. You want to create an APK file. It means for Android. So for that, click on that again here, and you'll find export option. Click on that export, and you can see you can export this as a web, as a Windows or Mac or Linux. Okay, if you want to play this game in your laptop, okay, so you have to export from here. Okay, but in this video we will learn just for exporting that game for Android. Okay, iOS is coming, so we are using your Android. So click on that, and you need to create an account. Okay, so click on create my account. I already have created account. So if you don't have an account, so you need to put your email ID here and then password, any password. You don't need to put your email password. Please don't put your email password here. Okay, you can put any password here, and then click on create account. I already have account, so that's why I click on already have an account, put my email and password and login, and wait some seconds, and click on that packaging for Android and wait some seconds. This will take some time. Okay, game export, uploading a build service, and build and download. It's take around 3 to 4 minutes to create a APK file of your game. Now you need to click on that download button. Okay, click on that and wait some seconds. You can see the game.apk file. You'll find you can change your APK name also, no problem, right? Now that's the APK. I'm going to send this APK to my phone and install this and use it. Okay, so using this platform you can create Android app. It's too easy. I really love that platform. Okay, if you love that video or if you love that platform, so just comment on the video, then I will make a series of that platform, whole series from 0 to 1, or you can say 0 to 100. Okay, so we will use your Admo. We will learn how we can use Admo. We will learn how to edit that game. We will learn lot of things in this platform. Okay, so just comment on the video about that overall platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video for more updates. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.